Solved how to fix The Sims 4 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest patch. 2. Stop overclocking. Your CPU. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Try repair your game in the Origin client. 5. Run The Sims 4, TS4_x64.exe, in its compatibility mode, enable disable full screen optimizations. Like this. 6. Set the Origin in-game setting to off. Path, Origin menu application settings. Origin in-game tab.